Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with the new Makeup Forever concealer. You guys know I'm a complexion junkie, and when I saw this was coming out, I really wanted to try it. I love trying new foundations and new concealers. Alright, so this is called the Matte Velvet Skin High Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. It retails for $27. I got mine off of the Sephora website. I think it launched 2 or 3 days ago. There's a total of 22 shades, and I got the shade 44. I looked at it, I didn't swatch it, it looks a little light, but let's hope I can make it work. So it has a total of 0.3 ounces, which is 9 mils. So I guess it's like standard for a concealer. So I'm just gonna jump into what it says about the concealer. So it's supposed to be waterproof with a creaseless, transfer-proof, natural matte finish. It's full coverage, and what else it says? It says it's blurring. Wow, blurring. Delivers up to 24 hours of wear. I don't know why they say that, because I don't think anybody wears their concealer for 24 hours. So it up to 24 hours of wear, lightweight and airy. The blendable multitasking formula comes with an extra large applicator and a precision tip for use all over the face to spot, conceal, correct under eye circles, and or to contour. Okay, so I came on with, I just have my primer on. I'm using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I wanted to put it on fresh over foundation. So I'm gonna go in with, I wanna use something from their line. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation. I have it in the shade Y528. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and then we'll go in with the concealer. And I was so curious about this, and I figured, you know what, maybe somebody else is curious about it. So I figured, you know what, I'll just do a review just in case you're looking for someone close to your complexion that did a review on this product. NC50 and MAC. I usually have, if you're new to my channel, I usually have all my comparable foundation shades listed in the description box. Alright, so I have the foundation on, and I had done a review on this foundation a while ago on my channel. It just has a beautiful natural finish. It's like a great everyday foundation, but yet I feel it can be worn out as well. Like if you're doing like a night out or something, but you don't want like a heavy look. Alright, so the concealer comes in this little package. This is typical Makeup Forever packaging, because they're I got a few things on them that came in a similar package. Like I said, I got the shade 44. This is what it looks like, and like I said, it looks light, so I'm gonna have to be a little like careful how how much I put on. I mean, I love a bright under eye, but this definitely looks a little too light, but let's see. All right, so this is what the applicator looked like. They weren't lying, it's huge. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some under. Okay, it's looking like, it just feels like super thick. Like, it feels like really, really thick. Like it's gonna be super full coverage. I don't think I'm gonna do more than this. And it's, a lot stays in the applicator, so I don't even think you need to double dip. But I guess it depends on who you are and how you like your coverage. Alright, so I'm just going to take my Pat McGrath concealer brush and just kind of spread it out. I like to do that before I go in with my beauty sponge. Alright, now that I have it on, it doesn't look as light. I love the yellow undertone. I think that's what's helping me, because I love anything with a yellow undertone, and this has a lot. This color 44 has a lot of yellow, so I'm quite pleased with the undertone. All right, let's see how it blends out. All right, first thing I'm noticing, I think it dries down quickly. Maybe I should have done like one under eye. Wow, okay. They weren't lying also when they said it's full coverage. This seems super full coverage. Definitely matte, but it's a comfortable matte. It feels nice going on. I mean, Makeup Forever, they make very nice complexion products, I must say. So let me just try and blend this out before it dries down, because I think it's drying down a lot quicker than I anticipated. So let's see. All right, so although this is matte, there's something still natural about it, at least from what I can tell so far, what I'm seeing after application. So, and the color, I like the color because it brightened my under eye the way I like it to be brightened, but it doesn't look too much. I think it looks perfect, and I think with contour and stuff like that, it's definitely going to pull together. But so far, first application, I like it. It's definitely full coverage. I really don't think you need a lot. Blend it out nicely. Does, to me, dry down a little quickly, so I had to work with it. If you have the time, you can probably just do one eye, blend that out, and then go to the other eye. All right, but so far I'm impressed. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set it. I wanted to cream contour before I set, because that's what I usually do. All right, so I'm gonna set it with my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush, her Flawless Filter Powder, right? This was airbrush Flawless Filter Powder in shade 3. I've been reaching for this a lot to set my under eye, and I've been liking this quite a bit. Right, so let's see how it does with the powder. And I'm using my Sonia G brush that I've been using to put this powder on. I'm not using my beauty blender. So far, concealer is looking quite flawless, and even more flawless with the Flawless powder. And I like this. I also like their HD concealer a lot. All right, so this is what it looks like with the powder. I think everything looks very pretty. I think it gives my complexion a nice flawless look. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, finish the rest of my face. For me, when I try a concealer, the biggest thing is it going to crease, and I pretty much know quickly. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. While I'm doing my face, I'm gonna see if it starts to crease, or what's the deal. And I'll come back with more thoughts on this concealer. All right, guys, so I'm back with the rest of my makeup done, and I love this concealer. Another concealer that I love. I love the color 44. I'm happy that I got it now, because it gave me just the right amount of brightening without looking too white. And it looks very flawless, looks very natural. Love that it's matte. It gives almost that, what's the word I'm looking for? I feel very editorial. That's like the word I'm thinking. I think it's so pretty. No creasing. I've had it on now for 31 minutes. I've had it on for 31 minutes. When concealers crease on me, my personal opinion with concealers, they crease straight away. So this is a good sign. But what I'm going to do though, it's now 4:07 p.m. I'm going to wear this for 2 hours. I think by like 2 hours, I have an idea of if it's going to crease or not. But so far, I think it looks spectacular so far. All right, so I'm going to go around the house. I'm not going anywhere, just to see if it creases. And I'll come back and let you guys know about how it wore for the 2 hours. All right, see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm back. It's now 604. I don't know if you can see my phone, but it's 604. And this is how everything looks. I mean, the concealer, it didn't crease, which is a plus, plus, plus. I'm looking at my under eye. It looks really pretty. You know what? Let me zoom you guys in. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks flawless. And if this was supposed to crease on me, it would have creased already. It would have definitely creased maybe the first half hour, first hour, like the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. But this is what it looks like. I think it's so pretty. It looks amazing. I think it looks really nice also with the foundation that I wore. So, and I think $27 is not bad for this concealer. I like it a lot. I like the way it looks. So if you were looking for a review on this concealer, here you go. I totally recommend it. And if you're my complexion, I think 44 will be a very good color for you, as it was for me. Yeah, so to wrap it up, this concealer lived up to everything it said. Full coverage, flawless airbrush finish. I think my under eyes look amazing. Love the way it went with the powder as well. So, hey, I think it was a great purchase. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.